Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we will be discussing about who will be the winner for DH regular license giveaway. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly check out who will be the winner. So what we will be doing here is we'll be picking some random comments using YouTube random comment picker tool. So this is the tool that we'll be using to pick some random comments. So here we need to enter the URL of the video. So let's copy the giveaway video URL. So this is the video. So let's click on get YouTube comments. So with this we will get to know how many comments are there on YouTube. So we have 195 comments on this video. So here we can click on start raffle and pick random winner. So here we will be picking up some 8 random comments. So the first person is Making Waves. Hey brother, I want to win this drone to gift on my nephew's birthday. His birthday is on 29th of September. He will be very happy to have it. So sorry Making Wave, this giveaway is not regarding drone. This is a drone license which is DHcompanion. So without drone, this giveaway is will not be useful for you. So to win this giveaway, you need to have a drone. So anyways, when we pick up any winner, so we will take a drone serial number, then only we'll provide him this license. So you will not be considered for this giveaway. So let's pick up another person. That is Sanjay Sharma. First person will be Sanjay Sharma. So he has mentioned that brought a drone with the saving of 1.5 years, and they are saying you can buy it but you can't fly it. It will be very helpful if I could win this giveaway so I can fly it into the sky. Hehe. Okay, the first person will be Sanjay Sharma, even though I did not understand the comment. Second person will be Hitan Chanda has mentioned that want to win this giveaway because I can't afford the regular license and I really want to fly above the 500-meter limit. Thanks for this opportunity. Cool. Second person will be Hitan Chanda. Third person will be Aura Shot Gaming. क्योंकि मैं विलेज से हूँ और पुअर हूँ, मेरे पापा कैमरा के काम से 5000 मंथ कमाते हैं और कस्टमर हाइट मांगते हैं. ओके, सो द थर्ड पर्सन विल बी Aura Shot Gaming. Fourth person is Mohsin has mentioned that bro, I have purchased DJI Mini 2 for traveling, but I don't know 15 meters problem in drone. This license is very costly. I don't purchase this license. Okay, so the fourth person will be Mohsin. Let's pick up for the fifth person. Fifth person will be Nasima T. I need the license for fly my Mini 2 above 15 meters. So the fifth person will be Nasima T. So let's check for the sixth person. So the sixth person is Tester R for you. To avoid any confusion, why don't you delete the outdated videos? No need for old methods. Latest hack is the best. Okay, this is a suggestion for me. So this comment cannot be considered for the giveaway. Anyways, he has nowhere mentioned that he needs the drone hack license. So this comment will not be considered for this giveaway. And thank you, tester, for you. Thanks for your suggestion. We'll definitely think about it. Sixth person is Suraj Saho. The comment he has mentioned is 3 fires. So he has not written anything, so even I can't consider this person for giveaway. Sorry, Suraj Saho. So the sixth person will be the Spidey. I also wanted the DH license. Your videos helped me fly my drone above 15 meters, but it is so hard to do the hack all the time. Good luck to all participants. Okay, so sixth person will be the Spidey. So seventh person will be Kushagra. I recently brought this drone with a motive to start earning money through its ability to fly and shoot to various dynamic landscapes, and now I am really disappointed to see Indian policy. I have agreed to your giveaway terms. Good. So sixth person will be Kushagra. So seventh person was Kushagra, and eighth person will be Arpit Nima. I really need to win this drone license, otherwise all my money will be wasted. Okay. So we have got 8 names from this random tool picker. So now we will select one person from these 8 comments. So we will be using another tool to have the fair decision. That will be mini web tool. This mini web tool is a random name picker. Here you can see it. So we need to enter all the 8 names here on this website, and it will pick up one random name. So let's quickly enter the names. First one was Sanjay Sharma. Second was Hitan Chanda. Third person is Aura Swat Gaming. So the fourth person is Mohsin. Fifth person is Nasima T. Sixth person is the Spidey. Seventh person is Kushagra. Eighth person is Arpit Nima. So let's quickly pick a random name. So the winner here is Kushagra. Congratulations Kushagra for winning a DH regular license. I'll be pinning your name in the comment section. So reply the comment with your email address. We'll further coordinate on the email and provide you a free license. So for the people who have participated and not won the free license, don't worry about it. We will conduct some more free DH regular license giveaway contests. So once again, congratulations to Kushagra. Kushagra, if you did not contact us back within 3 days, then we will be picking up some other name. That will be, let me take that name as well. Okay, we have got the second name as well. So if Kushagra did not contact in 3 days, then we will definitely go with the Nasima T, and she will be getting the license. So please contact us before the end of 3 days. So the people who have participated in this giveaway, don't lose your hopes. We will be conducting some more giveaways on this channel, so be connected. And the people who are planning to purchase DH regular license, you can use Shivkumar_SD10 to get 10% of discount on the DH regular license. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.